Hello everyone, welcome back on another video and you guys are watching Dhillon, Canada. Today we are diving into the detailed video of how to fill Adult General Canada Passport application form. I will explain everything you need to know in simple words. I have mentioned timestamps in the description down below if you want to watch any specific topic. The viewers who are new here, please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications whenever I upload new videos. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, this is Adult General Passport application. As you can see, I have already filled it just to save the time. So number 1, personal information, surname Dhillon, given name Perry, surname of parents at birth Dhillon, applicant's place of birth Shahjahanpur, country or territory India, date of birth, and then sex, natural eye color, your height in centimeter or in inches, your current home address, and then over here mailing address if different from current home address. Scroll down, your email address, your phone number, and this portion you cannot fill that digitally because you need to print this page and then sign it and put the date, place, and then province. Number 2, declaration of guarantor, his or her surname, given name, date of birth, their Canadian passport number, date of issue, date of expiry, relationship to the applicant, friend, their telephone number, and their current home address. And same thing here, you need to print the form and then they have to sign it here. And then I have known the applicant for at least minimum 2 years, or it could be above, and then date, city, and province. Scroll down. Previous Canadian travel document. Has a Canadian travel document, passport, certificate of identity, or refugee travel document been issued to you in your current name or any other name? No. Scroll down, proof of Canadian citizenship. You choose this option here, certificate number and date of issue. Scroll down. You don't have to fill this in the most cases. Scroll down, documents to support identity. So it could be either driver license or it could be health card. Type of document, driver license, document number, date of expiry, and your name as it appears on the document, Dhillon. Same thing here, when you print the form, sign it over here and mention the date. Scroll down, period of validity. So 5 years or 10 years. So I would recommend choose 10 years. Scroll down, additional personal information, addresses in the last 2 years. So if it's different from the current home address, so choose different from current home address and then enter the address here. If you have watched the video this far, please give it a like so YouTube can share this video with more people like you. Same thing here, your address, postal code, and the dates. Scroll down, occupation in the last 2 years. So I was employed full or part-time, and then you have to enter all of your employments here, including their name, address, their phone number, a field of employment, and dates. Scroll down, references. So make sure the references should not be a relative. It could be a friend, a co-worker, your dentist, anybody, but not your relative. Their surname, their given name, relationship to the applicant, their address, and their telephone number, email address, has known me for number of years. You need to enter that here. Scroll down, their surname, given name, relationship to the applicant, their address, their phone, email address, has known me for number of years. Scroll down, emergency contact information. It could be your wife, your brother, your father, your mother, anybody. So their surname, given name, relationship to the applicant, telephone number, their email address, and the current home address. Scroll down, requirement checklist. So you need to check this box. All 3 pages of application form completed. So check this box. Guys, you need 2 pictures and both the pictures should be taken within 6 months, and the guarantor has to sign that picture with the date and the place. And check this box as well because you need to carry citizenship certificate with you. And check this box as well, documents to support identity. It could be your driver license, your health card, or any valid Canadian travel document, passport, certificate of identity, or refugee travel document issued to you. And the fee. 5-year validity is Canadian $120 and 10-year validity is Canadian $160. So this is the better deal here. If you choose 10-year validity, Canadian $160. Credit card information. If you're applying in person, do not complete this section. If you're applying by mail or paying by credit card, complete and submit the section with your application. So if you're doing in person, you don't need to fill this. If you're doing by mail, you need to enter this information here. So if you guys are applying by mail, this is the address you need to send your application form with all the supporting documents and the fee. After filling this form, make sure you print this form and sign all the required sections of yourself and your grantor as well with date and place. Take all of your documents with you, such as this form, your driver license or health card, payment card, 2 pieces of pictures, one of them signed by your grantor with place, and make sure your pictures are stamped by your photographer, and your citizenship certificate. You need to visit Service Canada for your passport application submission. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more updates. If you have any questions or topics you would like me to cover, leave a comment down below. Until next time, take care. Thank you.